Every year, hundreds of thousands of new software developers enter the workforce. They're younger, they're willing to give up their nights and weekends for their jobs, and since they still live at home, they're able to accept a lot less money than you for the same job you're doing. Add to this, technology changes so fast. What you learned in school 5 or 10 years ago is becoming less relevant today, and 5 years from now, it won't count for much. You cannot take a break from improving your skills. But who wants to move up to management? I've tried that, and I prefer to stay closer to technology and away from the politics of the upper levels. At one point, I had 7 hours per day of meetings consistently. No thanks, never again. So how can you remain in technology and still compete against so many other younger competitors? The secret to staying ahead of younger, less experienced developers is to augment your existing skills and experience with new skills in a more advanced area of technology. Growing your skills is the key to staying ahead of the pack in your career and work on the type of projects you want to work on, while the fresh graduates are learning the newest JavaScript framework. My name is Scott Duffy, and I have been teaching Microsoft Azure online for over 3 years on the Udemy platform. I have more than 65,000 students from 174 countries in my classes. Cloud computing is a very high growth area of technology right now, representing hundreds of billions of dollars of IT spending each year. Employers say it is very difficult for them to find qualified trained developers, IT pros, and architects, and this is where you come in. With your level of experience, adding cloud computing skills will make you invincible again. Microsoft Azure is the fastest growing cloud platform at 100% year-over-year growth, which outpaces the growth of even Amazon AWS, which is still growing a lot too. If you had skills and experience in Microsoft Azure, you would have the skills you need to land those exciting projects and jobs. I have 7 Azure courses on Udemy at the moment, and more are being added all the time. There is a course for absolute beginners if that's where you are, but if you have some experience in Azure, AWS, or already know the basic cloud concepts, you might want to dive into one of my Azure certification courses. Certifications are a great way to learn the skills required to architect, develop, or maintain solutions within Azure. And as a bonus, Microsoft certifications look great on your resume, provide a badge for you on LinkedIn, or demonstrate you to be a self-motivated quick learner during an interview. So check the link in the description below and keep ahead of those hundreds of thousands of freshly graduated developers by moving into an exciting, high-growth career in Microsoft Azure.